Hello everyone, my name is Padarbind. Today I'm going to give you very nice idea about simple present tense note 7. Yes, already have created a video in a sequence of note 1, note 2 up to note 6. Now I'm going to give you the very nice idea about note 7. I want you to pay attention and understand the real uses of simple present tense. It's not like a simple dialogue based teaching, it's actual learning process. And if you are in the school, college, or competitive entrance preparation, or you are really want to improve your English communication with a quality learning with a wide range of grammatical understanding, along with you want to have a reach and range of structures and understanding on the sentences, so you need to watch it and complete. So now I want all of you to pay attention. Very simplest way I'll explain you, but in very effective part of it. So now let's learn this one, the best use of simple present tense, note 7. This tense is used to talk about sports commentary, running commentary, or any events commentary with descriptions. Yes. So if you are going to have any commentary, you want to speak about running commentary, so you can learn how to have your speech. So now what exactly all about it? Now you can notice in most of magazines, journals, newspapers, and books also, there will be a kind of pictures, and picture will be then narrated with this kind of commentary, like mom waves her hand with smiling face, son in front of her also takes leave by waving his hand. It shows living time for tuition including. So this is one examples I gave you. So whenever you might have heard a cricket match or any other sports match, so there you can listen to. So some part of okay running commentary, it's in simple present tense. No doubt the speaker can use different tenses also. The mostly we are talking about running part, which is really happening at that moment and somebody is really excited to express the scenario. So in that sense one can use this tense. All right, fine. So here one cricket match, one note. Here he goes to ball, there the batsman hits a ball. Okay, there the batsman hit the ball to the boundary. Wonderful shot down the wicket, middle of two fielders. It's now 4 runs, right? So one can make a speech. Okay, it may be a little fast, but what is happening in a proposed of series actions one another, so that can be commendable, and there one can bring running commentary. So in that way we use simple present tense. So get ready to prepare it, and I'm going to give you very nice exercise here. All right. So okay, the first exercise you need to have eye on here is your first one. Collect some pictures and make commentary. Yes, if you are planning to become an anchor, if you want to stand on the stage and want to say something, or if you want to become a TV commentary, or you are planning to make your career in commentary, then please improve. This stance is really going to help you. If not, then you can work for your fluency and accuracy. Note 2, so make a commentary on any sports. Yes, you can practice on that. You can mute your TV and start speaking on that. You can mute your any channel from your mobile. You can speak on that. That's the best activity you can ever do it. And another part I would like to tell you, listen to a commentary and speak up. Yes, that's the best part. Well, pay attention on many of the commentary and start having imitation, or also try to speak by paraphrasing. And another one, retail. Okay, last one is retail. Okay, retail cricket match running commentary. Yes, this retail also is really going to help you. Fine. So this I wanted to share with you. My name is Padarbind. This is my website and this is my WhatsApp number. Okay, so I want all of you to have a practice. I have been giving a lot of exercise notes and all. Please take a pause of the video, try to do it, and you can send me also, and you can practice by your own, and you can follow the sequence. Trust me, you can definitely have it. And if you're facing the problem with the structures of simple present tense, please go to other videos also, already have given it, and you can also visit my playlist, and there you can find it 48 magical structures. Yes, beautiful. Okay, video, there you can find how you can use 48 magical sentences which are used in English tenses. Yes, so there you can pick up simple present tense, all structures beautifully elaborated. easily you can learn it. And I'm going to share with you one more video where you can find every note of simple present tense. As already have maintained the sequence, I have provided 7 notes on simple present tense. Now I'm going to give you the note on, okay, all with a summary, so again you can have it. And I'm coming with different activities also, different kind of I'm bringing different kind, I'm planning to bring different scenario where you can start to speak with me. You can improve your writing, speaking and communication also. Yes, that's my intention, to train you well. Thank you, all the best, and please share most of people these things. And you can also subscribe the channels. You can also give your likes and comment on this part. And if you're looking for more information, please type down what you exactly you want. I will definitely answer and help you. Thank you. Happy learning. All the best.